a quick room tour at Ginger, where I'm staying currently for the purpose of audit. Here's the TV and the desk, the like tea, coffee, everything is kept here. And there is a small mini refrigerator. This is the bed, and it was like it's okay. Then, as usual, telephone, Wi-Fi, and here is the balcony. Is the window. Right now, nothing can be seen because it's dark, and one mirror over here. Inside, here is a washroom. This is how things are here. This and moreover, electricity and the lock, and this is our things here in the room. Let's sleep right now.